Hey there, Bricksters and LEGO friends. I am here with the LEGO Unikitty Polybag set 30406. It is the Unikitty Roller Coaster Wagon. It has 46 pieces and it's a little fun build. Now it has like the skateboard wheels on the bottom, which are purple, and it has like a flick fire mechanism in the middle, and you push it through the back there and it fires out like these little round tiles. And well, they're kind of like something that you saw on the Turtles a while back when it fired out the pizzas in from the truck. So that was kind of cool. That's, that was a cool device back then, and I haven't seen it used since, so that's what it does right there. And I imagine I haven't seen the movie yet that it is in the movie. Anyway, it's a standard Unikitty build, and there we go. We're just going to flick fire this out there, and it has some velocity to it. So be careful with that you don't poke out an eye. So anyway, yeah, so the Unikitty itself is pretty a standard Unikitty. Nothing special about that I really see. It's great for little parts, for another build or something like that. I'm going to put it down in the amusement park with my roller coaster, probably my big one. I'm not sure. I won't go in with the pirate one because it just doesn't look right. Although I may keep it for something else down the line. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. But that being said, it's a cute little build. And I like those turquoise slopes. They're really cool if you want them for parts or anything else. So anyway, you can get this set for free if you spend $25 or more at LEGO Shop at Home right now. Anyway, I did not get it for free. I purchased this one at Walmart for $4.87. They had a ton of them, and I guess that's why they're giving them out for free at LEGO Shop at Home, because they probably have a ton of these things. Because there are so many Unikitty stuff out there right now with all the blind bags of the Unikitties that basically this is like a blind bag Unikitty figure with just a little cart that goes along with it. So do you really want to pay that much for it? I don't know. That's up to you. It's okay if you get it for free at Shop at Home right now. Not a bad deal. So that's up to you. It's a cool little set. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so you'll know any future videos that is coming your way from our channel. Greatly appreciate it, and I will see you again very shortly.